Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of blogging and commercial writing? Whether you're a novice or looking to enhance your skills, this guide will equip you with the essentials to thrive in both realms. Discover your passion and expertise. Can you teach or provide unique insights? Select a focused topic to captivate a dedicated audience and stand out in the blogosphere. Opt for beginner-friendly platforms such as WordPress or Wix. Choose a catchy domain name and design that aligns with your style, creating an inviting online space for your audience. Elevate your content with research, brainstorming, and strategic scheduling. Craft compelling headlines, captivating introductions, and clear explanations. Enhance readability with bullet points, images, and humor to keep your audience engaged. Connect with fellow bloggers, actively engage in comments, and promote your content on social media. Cultivate authentic relationships and learn from others, creating a supportive community around your blog. Explore monetization options like advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your products' services. Prioritize delivering value to your audience, and revenue opportunities will naturally follow.